Hey everyone, I would like to welcome y'all to the No Fix Studio. In today's video, we are going through drawer 3 on my dominant hand side. In the drawer, I keep my Coupa file. I bought this many years ago in the teal color. I do have a replacement handpiece, but for now, I still just use the K55. And these are my drill bits. I bought this off of Amazon for like $9. It houses all my main drills that I like to use. My drill bits, my nail bits, whatever people like to call them. And these are my tips. I also bought these from Amazon. And with the numbers, I put them in with my label maker. Cut them out, place them inside. They didn't come with the numbers already there. And I bought these ones from Amazon too. These are shorter ones. And they're C-curves. Both sets are C-curves. And these are some drill bits I bought like 6 years ago for when piercings and things was in place. So, yeah. And then I have my glasses for when I drill. And these are my forms. I have many different types of forms. And my favorite are Tammy Taylor, but I don't really like to buy them because I don't like to use them because the price is kind of like high, but I buy them because they're my favorite. Like, I get all of them. Then you see my glue and some more bits. I don't use these bits as often. They need to be cleaned. I just see that it's so dusty. Tammy Taylor, love them. The pink ones are my favorite because you get longer ones, but the white ones fit my fingers, client's fingers. I'm going to use the black and the gold. And then these are the gold ones that a lot of my clients' fingers fit. I think one of my fingers fit these ones. Just like one of my fingers fit the square shaped ones. I can't remember what color that is. The Light Elegance. I only use that for gel. I don't know why, but Light Elegance so gel, so I just use it. And these are ones I picked up because they're clear. I have never seen clear polish, forms before. So I was like, let me get these ones, but I don't shop with Wildflower anymore because of an incident I had last year with a monthly package I signed up for and I never really received. That's another story for another day. And what else is in here? The little pink circly thing, that is what you use to clean the drill bits. And then my mask. And these are the pink ones. They're longer than the other ones. I love these ones too. They're the longer versions of the gold ones. And all the way in the back of this drawer, I do have another handpiece. Please stay tuned for part 4 of my nail desk setup on my dominant hand side. And please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Please remember, if you dream it, plan it so you can jump into action.